What's good, y'all? It's VA here, aka Pragmatic, aka Sin Hero, and today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. Oh, this is the camera I ordered, but I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the Ricoh WG-8. I got this camera because I've been wanting to downsize from a DSLR for quite some time. I recognize that as technology progresses, we're going to be able to do a lot more with a lot less, meaning we may not always need the bulky lenses and big batteries, and there'll be a place for those, right? At the same time, I like to travel light. I'm on the go quite a bit, and I wanted to start adapting my photographic and filming style to match my pace and to be more acclimated to a smaller device. So I got this camera because I wanted something that was going to be durable in all weather conditions, that is going to be compact again, and is going to have 4K video. I really shoot in 1080p primarily, but in case I wanted to have something that was a bit higher quality, I could still bump that quality up a little bit. And yeah, I compared quite a few models. This is in my budget and my price range. And look, if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. But I get to try something new, see what it's like, and then build a new portfolio with the new camera. So let's unbox. And in this box also came the seat and packing list. All right. And it's just a full receipt of, yep, the delivery, the bill of lading number. Yeah, cool. That's what we got here. Packed up in this box. So what do you like that? Again, this is the Pentax WG-8. I'm already feeling it. Like, I'm already excited to be not carrying around a whole bunch of lenses and stuff. Don't get me wrong, I really love being able to switch lenses and use heavy duty cameras and equipment, and I've been looking forward to trying something new. So hey, the opportunity presented itself. All right, at the top we have an opening information cautionary thing regarding the waterproof design, making sure the seal stays tight. We have the warranty. We have the operating manual. WG. I'm gonna just say it stands for we got it. And then cool, right inside we have everything nicely packaged, compartmentalized. We have the macro ring. We have one battery. I'll look forward to getting more batteries. We have looks to be a battery charger. Or maybe an adapter, let's see. And with this piece right here, safety instructions. Okay, cool. Just talks about power converting and making sure You have the proper adapter to mitigate danger and fire. If we don't like fire, we want to mitigate danger. Okay, boom. We have the adapter, the plug for the USB charger. We have a wrist strap. We have the USB cable. One side is USB 3.0 and the other side is a USB-C. And I would consider this the crown jewel, the WG-8, Pentax WG-8. Right. Oh man, this thing feels light and sturdy at the same time. That's a big LCD screen. Not a lot of buttons, it's simple. You know what I'm saying? You have your zoom right here, record button. What is that? We have our playback button, our record button, I already said that. What is that? A timer, GPS, flash, a macro, our select button in the middle. We have our menu, and then our delete button, and probably has another functionality once we start getting into it a little bit more. On the top, you can see we have the on and off button. We have the shutter right here. We have a few different modes. We have a CALS mode. We have auto, program, scene. I want to say, I'm not sure what that figure is. It looks interesting, so we'll figure it out. We have a user 1 setting, a user 2 setting, and then a video mode. Quite simple, quite simple. We have 3, possibly 4 attachment points for the wrist strap. One right here, one right there, one right there, and then this metal piece right there. Oh, hello, that's me. I'm seeing this right there. You see, you have the lights that enhance for macro photography right there. You have a flash right here. Cool, we're gonna press this or flip this switch to open it. Cool. So slide it, slip it, lock it. I'm gonna do that again, that way. Wait, this way. Bingo. Cool. And it locks automatically. That's pretty tight now. All right, this is the official unboxing. That's all I wanted to do with this video, but stay tuned. I'm going to actually be creating some content with this camera. I look forward to doing so. It was a good buy for under $400. I was able to save up for it, so let's see what we can do with it in the future. All right, stay tuned, y'all. Let's get it. Peace.